Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be talking about table joins and the various types of table joins. Sometimes it may be necessary to retrieve some data that are spread across several tables, but to make the data meaningful, the data are retrieved from several tables and combined into one table. The main purpose of table joins are to retrieve data from multiple tables and display them as one table. Types of table joins. You've got the equijoin, the non-equijoin, the Cartesian join, the outer join, and the self join. I have got the Toad for Oracle editor opened. I'm gonna illustrate a basic SQL Oracle join statement syntax. Okay, this is just a basic syntax. So we select from column 1, comma, column 2, comma, from table 1, comma, and table 2, comma. Where is the where clause is where the join conditions are normally specified. Okay, so where table 1 dot column 1 equals table 2 dot column 2. So this is a basic SQL statement for a join condition in Oracle. So let me explain the statement, the syntax here. It says select get me column 1 and column 2 from table 1 and table 2, where this is where the join condition takes place. Where table 1, the dot means column 1 from table 1. Get column 1 from table 1 and column 2 from table 2. The join is make sure get column 1 and column 2 from table 1 and table 2, where the where is the condition where table 1 dot column, that is the column 1 from table 1, must be equals to column 2 from table 2. So this is just a basic join statement. I shall be talking about the individual join table types I've mentioned, and we'll explain that in subsequent videos. I hope this information has been useful. In this video I've spoken about what table joins are and why we need them. In subsequent videos I'll be explaining with examples the different types of table joins. I thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to my channel for more Oracle database management and data analysis videos. Thank you.